Hi everyone. So as you have probably seen, we do have to change the name due to a potential copyright infringement with another brewery. We received a cease and desist during our release in Chicago. That doesn't change our commitment to making Flora Brewing a thing. This does not change our commitment to making insert brewery name here a thing. We are fully committed to doing all of this commercially, and so don't worry about that. We are still brainstorming a name, and we will definitely let you know as soon as we have figured one out. And I'm already working on recipes for my next release, and yeah, I'm really excited to get my beer distributed nationwide, no matter what the name is. It is going to take a lot of work to rebrand something that I've been using for 6 years now, but I am a very creative person and I'm sure I will figure it out. In the meantime, you can find my beers in Chicago and Milwaukee. They're available at both Pilot Project locations on May 12th. We're releasing the red ale and the cherry saison, so keep an eye out for those. There's also a few bars that have my beer on tap, and keep an eye on socials. We're putting a list together of all of those, so you can go hopefully head out to a local bar in your neighborhood, if you live in Chicago that is, and grab some. Thanks so much for your support. As always, you guys are incredible. I will see you next time. Hi everyone. I want to first thank you for subscribing to all my channels. Over the years, you've been my mentors, friends, and the best community I could have ever asked for. You've made all of this possible. Your support has not only reminded me why I love brewing, but has also reinforced a huge decision, and that is to make Flora Brewing official! That means I'm planning on going commercial this year, and I could use everyone's help to make this dream a reality. 6 years ago, when I got my husband a homebrew kit for his birthday and he didn't take to it, I never thought that it would become the biggest addiction that I have ever experienced. And I'm sure a lot of you know the feeling. My goal is to start contract brewing nationwide and eventually open a physical location up in Bremerton, Washington, where I am right now. And unfortunately, it cost a ton of money to do so, like way too much money. And I do have a day job still, but it ain't gonna cut it. So what I've decided to do is set up a GoFundMe so that hopefully with all of your help, we can make this dream a reality. And your help will mean that Flora Brewing can be commercial and that you can get it wherever you are, starting in the United States and one day expanding throughout the world. So how we're going to start is this year I'm working on a collaboration with Pilot Project Brewing out of Chicago and now Milwaukee. They're a brewery incubator for up-and-coming brewers and creators, and they'll be the production facility for my first year of brewing commercially. My foray into becoming legit will officially kick off in spring 2023 with 4 commercial beers, 2 of which have already been released with Pilot Project. We're updating them a bit. And then I have 2 new beers, my red and my flagship, which if you've watched my YouTube videos, you've seen me make and test out. So if you want to see Flora Brewing in a city near you, you can donate on the GoFundMe, look up Flora Brewing, and I'll put the link below and on my Instagram and YouTube and everything. Thank you for all of your support, and I really appreciate it. I love you guys. Cheers.